Good morning, 10th class. Hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss the next part of the brain. We have discussed first part of the brain, forebrain, yesterday. Okay. We have discussed three parts: cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus in detail yesterday. I hope you learn these parts. Today we will discuss the next part, which is midbrain and hindbrain. Okay. First of all, we'll discuss midbrain. Okay, midbrain basically it lies between forebrain and hindbrain present, and basically it connects these two parts. Okay, midbrain is present between forebrain and hindbrain. Okay, its basically function is it receives sensory information and send it to the appropriate part of forebrain. Okay, different sensory information is received by the midbrain, and it sent to the appropriate part of the forebrain, and it also controls some auditory reflexes and posture. So these are the different functions of midbrain. Okay. Next part is the hindbrain. Okay, this is hindbrain. It basically made up of three parts: is pons, medulla oblongata, and cerebellum. These are three parts of hindbrain. Hindbrain is made up of medulla oblongata, pons, and cerebellum. Okay, we will discuss these. First part is the medulla. Medulla basically it lies on top of spinal cord. This is spinal cord, and it is present on the top of spinal cord. On medulla oblongata there is pons, and then on pons there is midbrain. Okay, this basically medulla oblongata, pons, and midbrain collectively known as brain stem. इसे हम ब्रेन स्टेम भी कहते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पार्ट medulla oblongata is present on the top of spinal cord, and its function is it control breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. Okay, and it also control many reflexes such as vomiting, coughing, sneezing, etc. Okay, information that passes between spinal cord and the rest of the brain passes through the medulla. Okay, basically this part medulla oblongata, this connect spinal cord with the brain. It means all the information from our body, it first of all passes from spinal cord and then to the medulla oblongata before it reaches to the brain. Okay, so information that passes between spinal cord and rest of the brain passes through the medulla. Okay, next part of the hindbrain is the cerebellum. Okay, it lies behind medulla. This is cerebellum, and is present behind the medulla, and its function it coordinate muscle movements. Okay. The next part is pons. It is present on the top of the medulla, and its function is it assists medulla in controlling breathing. Okay, it also serves as a connection between cerebellum and spinal cord के दरमियान में. It also serves as a connection between these two. Okay, so these are the different parts of the brain: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. We have discussed in detail in this different parts we have discussed. I hope you will understand it, learn it. Okay, basically जैसे मैंने कल भी बताया था, ये आपके लिए लर्निंग के लिए है ज़्यादा. इसमें काफ़ी पॉइंट्स हैं जो आपने लर्न करना अच्छे से. सबके सारे पार्ट्स के फंक्शंस क्या हैं, वेयर इट इज़ लोकेटेड, एंड ओके व्हाट आर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ दैट brain. Okay, there is another information we have already discussed, that brain stem is the medulla oblongata, pons, and midbrain connects the rest of the brain to the spinal cord. They are collectively referred to as brain stem. Okay, so this is your today's lesson. Learn it thoroughly and revise your previous lesson. Okay, Allah Hafiz.